In this video, I want to show you how to meet your fundraiser goal. A few days ago for my birthday, I created a Facebook fundraiser to create a donation for a charity based in India that helps rescue animals from the street who are in dire need. Originally, my goal was only $784, but to my utter surprise, I not only met my goal, but I exceeded it to $867. Now, this may not be a huge amount, but there were a few lessons that I learned, 5 important lessons that I want to share with you, and hopefully they can help you in your own fundraiser goal. Number 1, be passionate about your cause. If you're not passionate about your own cause or don't believe in it, no one will. Have people know that you have truly believed in this in the past as well, so they can truly connect to this because of your own authenticity and honesty that you truly want to give. Which comes to be the first to give. If you don't give to your own cause, nobody would. And just don't give $5. Give at least 15 to 20% of the cause that you're willing to raise for. Because 80% of the people will donate more if they know that you have. Number 3, have you built credibility in the past? What kind of a person have you been in the past? Have you shown up for your friends? Have you been a giver or a taker? Can people trust you? Can people trust you with their money? Have you been there for other people? Are you the kind of person who shows up for others, that they want to show up for you? Don't be afraid to ask for support. Guys, it can be hard to ask for money, but when you truly believe in a cause and you're honest about it, your community would want to support you because people do want to do good in the world. Number 5, expect the unexpected and keep on trying. There were people that I hadn't connected for a very long time. They still donated to the cause. They donated to the cause when even the deadline was over, meaning you can always expect the unexpected if you keep trying. And most importantly, guys, do not forget to say thank you. A thank you goes a long way. Gratitude is everything. And I'm thankful for everybody who donated to the cause. If this video brought you any information, I invite you to join me on YouTube, Spark Your Mind, and Transform Your Life. Thank you.